Here's how to create multiple YouTube channels with one Google or Gmail account. So we'll show you the steps to make multiple channels, whether it's second, third, or more. So maybe you want a brand new channel because your main channel uses your name, or you might want a channel for different content like switching from gaming to in real life videos. So first of all, go to youtube.com and log into your account. Now click on your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. And from the menu that appears, you need to scroll down and tap on Settings. In the Your YouTube Channel section, click on Add or Manage Your Channels, which is between channel status, and View Advanced Settings. Now you'll see any channels you already have. Click on Create a Channel option. Now this is where you create a new channel's public identity. You can just select your profile picture now or later, and you'll need to enter a unique and easy to find channel name. And next, choose a unique handle, and it can't be same as anyone else. Then click on Create Channel in the bottom, and the channel will be created and you'll automatically switch to it. If it says the channel does not exist, you need to simply refresh the page and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.